You know what's crazy? The reason people don't take you seriously isn't because you're not good enough. It's because you're making one massive mistake that tells everyone around you, hey, it's okay to ignore me. And the messed up part? You don't even realize you're doing it. But listen, the moment you fix this, even once, people will look at you like you're a whole new person. Some will suddenly want to hang out with you. Some will give you the respect you deserve. And yes, a few might get upset because you stopped letting them walk all over you. That's how you'll know you're leveling up. Step 1. Stop being so predictable. People's brains love putting others in neat little boxes. Safe, boring, pushover. And if you've been the same nice person forever, always helping, always saying yes, always people-pleasing, guess which box they stuck you in? The invisible one. You want to change that? Do something that makes them say, wait, what? If you're usually quiet, speak up. If you always sacrifice yourself for others, try saying, I can't today. If you never disagree, politely say, actually, I see it differently. Watch how their faces change when they realize you're not that easy to define anymore. Suddenly, you're interesting. Step 2. Act like your time actually matters. People don't respect your time because you act like it isn't valuable. You reply instantly. You drop everything when someone calls your name. You show up early and just wait. Stop doing that. When someone calls you, finish what you're doing first. When you walk into a room, walk like you belong there. When someone texts, take your time. You're not being rude. You're proving your time has worth. And once you believe that, they will too. Step 3. Quit apologizing for existing. You say sorry for everything. When you walk past someone, when you ask a simple question, when you breathe. Every unnecessary sorry tells people, I don't belong here. Here's what you say instead. Not, sorry I'm late. Say, thanks for waiting. Not, sorry to bother you. Say, got a minute? Not, sorry, but I think. Say, I think. Change that one habit and watch how differently people talk to you. You're not an inconvenience. Stop acting like one. Step 4. Silence is power. Use it. You know what makes people nervous? Quiet. They hate it. They rush to fill the space. They overshare. They scramble for approval. Not you. Next time someone asks you a question, pause for 2 seconds. Take your time. When you don't rush your words, you show confidence. You show you decide how the conversation goes. That's real power. Step 5. Be willing to walk away. The person who needs the least always gets treated the best. Who gets more respect? The one begging to keep their job, or the one who knows they can get hired anywhere? Exactly. So next time someone treats you like you don't matter, don't argue, don't explain, just leave. A conversation, a room, a relationship, whatever it is. The moment they realize you won't stick around for disrespect, everything shifts. Here's the truth. Respect isn't something you wait for. It's something you demand by how you carry yourself. Stop being predictable. Stop apologizing for taking up space. Walk like your time matters. Speak like your voice matters. And never, ever be afraid to leave any place where you're not valued. Do just one of these and people will start staring like, who is this? Do all of them, you become unforgettable. And when people start treating you differently, don't act surprised. You finally showed them who you really are. Now go. And stop letting anybody walk over you ever again.